Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. All right, I hit some garage sales today and I'm super excited. You guys know that I love to sell toys on eBay, but I'm also looking for things to sell on Whatnot at my This and That, my ephemera, and my toy show. So lots of items going on eBay here because I got a lot of stuffed animals and I got two big money bolos, I think. I got to do some research. I haven't researched anything yet. So basically what I'm going to do right now is show you the items. When I list it, I'm going to add and edit this video. I'll pop up a screenshot here or here, one of the sides of how I listed it. Okay. So look for those to see how I priced my items. The first item, I picked this up for $2. I don't know if I'll sell the house. What I wanted, what was inside. So there's a My Little Pony, and always research the My Little Ponies. But there's a whole bunch of these Fisher Price little people. This one's a Mario guy. Mario. So it's just full of all of these guys. That's a McDonald's toy. But there's a Peppa the Pig doll, Joker, Batman. So I will more than likely put these in my Whatnot show, and I'll sell them probably individually. And then there's some little characters. There's Mickey Mouse. It looks like some Imaginext. Imaginext? Is that what these are? Yeah, it's a couple of these. So these will come to my Whatnot toy show. All right, so there is that. If you don't see a photo, that means they're coming to Whatnot. This is a Disney store. So it is from, all right. So anyway, this is a Disney store. So anything that's Disney store, this was $2. All the stuffed animals were either $1 for the small ones or $2 for the big. And look at that face. Disney store, excellent condition, $2. This one, it made sounds? Forget how. Is this from, what is this from? Is this, it's a 2001 Fisher Price Swiper. Is this Dora? I think this is Dora.
Never find it now. You're too late.
So he was $1, and I'll be able to put him on my reseller testing Bolo products channel. So that's cool. This one here, oh man, is it missing the inside too? Oh, there was another one and it was missing. Oh, it is. Well, that stinks. I didn't grab the other one because it was missing the inside. It's a Glow Butterfly from 1985 and it's missing the inside. So I'm guessing somebody just wanted it to be soft, so they took the battery compartment out. So this is probably going to be a womp. I don't know if I can list it, just if somebody would want it for the stuffed animal or not. I'll do some research, but that stinks. This is a Pound Puppy. It was $2, but what I liked is it still had the case. It has a shirt. It has a Pound Puppy original collar, and it is, woo! Let's see. It is from, does it tell me? Tonka, 1985, made in Korea. So it's in really nice condition other than the sweatshirt, the little thing. I don't know if I'll be able to fix that or not. But yeah, Pound Puppy with its thing. Okay. This one is also a Disney store. It's a patch and does need cleaned up, so I'll throw that in the washing machine, wash it up. But isn't it cute? Hey, so Disney store. I think this one was either $1 or $2. I can't remember if they considered this one small. I've sold this one before, I believe, or I have one listed. I'm not sure, but it's a puppet, and it is Wrinkles. Still has its outfit. It's got its original tag right here. And I don't know if there's another tag on the tush or not. But I paid $2 for him. So that should be good too. He's really super cute. Okay, now I'm thinking this one might be good, but this isn't one of the Bolos. I found 2 Bolos. This might be a Bolo. I know some of the Rainbow Bright stuff is really good, but I haven't looked her up. She is definitely one of the vintage ones. The tag is completely rubbed off. Look how stinking adorable she is. I love it. It's so cute. So we'll see. I think she was 2. This guy. It's a glowy. And it plays music. Uh-oh, I can't turn it off. Turn off. I did not. Maybe I Google Lens this one. I can't remember. I might have, but I can't remember what it was worth. Fisher Price, 2002. Soothing Star, Pooh, Winnie. Winnie the Pooh. I guess that's Winnie the Pooh. So I think that one was $1. These 3 are, I think, Lion King. Disney theme parks. Yeah, the Lion King. So there's 1, 2, and 3. So I'll have to decide, am I going to list these together? Am I going to list these individually? Or am I going to bring these to Whatnot? I'm not sure yet. But they all had, oh, this one's missing its tag. These 2 had their original tags. So that's good. Look at this one. So she has a little stain on her nose. I'm not sure. And it looks like something maybe was held in her hand. I picked her up because she's old. She is by Kenner, Kenner, and she is American Greeting Corp Apple Dumpling. So is she like a strawberry shortcake doll? I don't know, but you can see on her nose, she's got a little bit of discoloration. But I figured for $1, I'm just going to grab it and go. I do that a lot. Grab it and go. If it's not worth it, I'll just donate it. This one here is a vintage Fisher Price. So 1975. It's got a little bib. Okay, so why did I pick this up? Because somebody needs this. Somebody had this as a kid and they want it. They want it for their kid, or they just want it as a memory. Do you think I can sell it? It's so cute, right? That was $1. This one is another Disney store on the tush and Lion King, I think. And yeah, I think that's Lion King. Quit it. Lion King, I think. I don't know what else it would be. So this one here is Baby Gund Sweet Dolly. So we'll see what she's worth. She's super soft. Probably more of a baby toy. This one, I got more to put on my reseller testing Bolo products because I'm going to try to build that channel up some more. It is Sesame Street, and it does. And how do I turn it off? No, we're not going to sing with you. Turn off. Well, it works. Okay, so that's for my reseller testing products channel, and then I'll sell it. I don't know if it's going to have good comps or not. Elmo's kind of hit and miss depending on, oh, that's different. Little, I don't know. We'll see. Where are we at? 9 minutes. Okay. We're going to get to the big Bolo. Here's this one. This is another Rainbow Bright. Hallmark Cards 1983. So she might be decent. We'll see. And I might pair her with that other one. I don't know. We'll just see. We'll have to see. Oh, I just noticed. This is Looney Tunes from 1995. Ace Novelty. It's got a hole in the back. I just noticed that. He was $1. Is that Wile E. Coyote? Or I don't know. I'll have to look it up. But he's got some problems. Look at this. I'm sorry. I couldn't pass it up. This is a vintage Fisher Price. Made in Korea. It's so weird. It's got a rattle in it. And I picked it up because it's Fisher Price and I've never seen it before. So it was $1. But wait, I have the brother. So I'll have to decide if I'm going to list them separate or together. Aren't they cute? Kinda. Kermit, he's old. He is from 1987. Look, cute little Kermit. Cutie. That one was $1. And And a Smurf. This one's really old. Also 1980. Little Smurf. So maybe not huge value, but are you ready for the first big money bolo? If this is what I'm thinking it is, I looked over and I'm like, is that Mad Balls? Now it does, I just noticed it does have a little crack in its nose. So that's going to hurt me a little bit, but I couldn't find any writing on it. So I'm hoping this is an original vintage Mad Balls bat. If it is, some of these go for crazy money, and I'll pull up some comps of some that have sold, but I don't see any markings on it as far as brand. But there is a little crack in his nose, unfortunately, but I only paid $2 for it. So someone is probably looking for this. If it's not Mad Balls, it's still a really cool bat that I can probably make some money on. But doesn't that remind you of Mad Balls? I did do a quick search on Mad Balls, and I do think that that's what this is. But some of them, crazy money. Home run! So I'm excited about this one. Okay, let's go over here. So that was all one garage sale, right? No, just the stuffed animals. The cups and a couple other things were... No, the cups were that one too. Check these out. Hello. Oh. Hello, how are you today? I may have to keep this to annoy my husband. So I got not one, but two. I got two. Aren't they cute?
They're cute.
They're little, I think they're hamsters. Yeah, a darling. So they're missing the screws on the bottom. So these will be another one that I bought for my reseller testing products channel, and they're just super fun. So 50 cents each. Now, one of these came from... And I'm going to show you the big money bolo at the very end, so stay tuned. One of these came from the garage sale, the plush I just showed you. And these are, what are they called? Singamajig or something like that. And they do this. And I've talked about these before. However, this one was glitchy. So I'm going to sell the shirt and the battery compartment as replacements. Okay. I'm going to sell those together. And then I have the other one. And I really bought this. I want to put it on my reseller testing products. And then you can hit the hand. So they're just kind of little annoying fun things. I think these are made by Mattel. I'm not 100% sure, but I have sold a lot of these in the past. Definitely, you can find them pretty often, but they sell pretty good. See ya. 50 cents on this guy, and this one that's broken was $1. So sell those for replacements, still make my money back. 50 cents on him. I'll get a video out of it on my other channel, and yeah, probably I'd say 15, 20 bucks on that one. All right, the big money bolo is going to be at the end. So haven't looked this one up, but it's Mario Brothers, and it was $0.25. 2016 Nintendo. I don't even know what it is. It's like a little pillow. So that was $0.25. And then this was $0.25. This one is by Dan D. It's a little rattle, so definitely a pickup. A lot of times these are discontinued, hard to find, and people will sometimes pay $10 to $20 for one of these. Even more if they're hard to find and they need it. Another lovey. This one is by Tommy Tippy, and it is a giraffe lovey at $0.25, 25 cents. This one is by, so maybe I'll have a home run, maybe not on these loveys. They are definitely, a lot of them are bread and butter, but for $0.25, this one's from 2019. So it's probably discontinued as well. Little dinosaur, 25 cents. This was $1. This will probably go to my Whatnot This and That show. It's a wood rhino when I do my animals. And this one is by Cuddly, cuddly. And it's smaller and it's a little bear. So another lovey. Okay, these are super cute. I'm pretty sure I'm bringing these to my Whatnot This and That show. I just love these. I'm not a big mug seller because I don't like to pack and ship them. But this one is ZAH and it's got a little panda bear in it. I couldn't pass that up. And I have Hip Hop Hooray, Whimsical Cupboard. Yeah, it's just, it's got a rabbit. So I bought these because they were cute. 25 cents each. So I was thinking they were 50 cents, but they were a quarter. Big money bolo coming. Just wait for it. Bought this guy. He was 50 cents. These are slap bracelets, and they're by Wild Republic. Let's see if I can get it to open. Show you guys. So they go like that, and then you slap, like, you know, the slap bracelets, and then it hugs your arm like that. So I think that one was 50 cents, Wild Republic. And these are coming to Whatnot. They are, what did I pay for these? I paid $1 for all 4 of them. And they are the little Disney character cars. And I got Donald and Daffy and Mickey and Minnie. So those will be in my Whatnot toy show. And I got these little keys. I paid $0.25 for these. And these keys are super cute. They look like they got the little person on them. And I feel like I've sold these before, but they do have the lock. So we'll see. I'll look that up and see what I'm going to do with that. Are you ready? $2 for this, you guys. $2. This is a Bolo. This one is from AXTEL, Axtel Expressions. It's a puppet. Look up this brand. Some of them go for crazy money. This one is probably between 100 and 190 is what I saw comps for. Isn't it cool? I forget what it, let me read the tag to you. It says the Birds Puppet Pets. Birds, BURDS. Big money bolo right there. $2. What? $2? Yeah. So none are listed on eBay right now. The highest sold was $130, but I found a couple sold on WorthPoint, I think $190. So if you guys don't have WorthPoint, that's where it pays off. So I do have a referral link down below for WorthPoint if you want to check it out, along with other things that I use for my business. So I appreciate it when you guys use those. Those definitely help me out, cost you nothing, and definitely helps me keep this channel going. So thank you so much for using my referrals and my affiliates down in the description of the video. And yeah, so I'm going to get some of these listed and work on this video and get it out for you guys. Thanks for watching.